This is Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce this gemstone name. Moissanite. 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 Moissanite is a gemstone made of silicon carbide, famous for its brilliance, durability, and affordability, and it often sparkles even more than a diamond. It was first discovered in a meteor crater, which is why people call it the gemstone from the stars. Moissanite. 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 Almost all moissanite in jewelry today is lab grown because natural moissanite is extremely rare. Moissanite. Moissanite. It has higher refractive index than diamond, more fire, rainbow flashes, strong brilliance even in low light. It looks extremely bright and eye-catching. Moissanite. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for different pronunciation videos.